The Philippine Franchise Association continues to be the country's main capacity building event for the Philippine franchising sector for 28 years now. Industry experts will be helping businesses prepare for the fourth industrial revolution during the Asia's biggest franchise show, which will be holding conference on March 25 and 26 and Expo on March 27 to 29, 2020 at the SMX Convention Center, Pasay, Metro Manila, Philippines. This year, international franchise brands from Korea, Malaysia, Singapore, USA, and many more will exhibit in line with the shopping festival from March 1 to 31 to be cherished by everyone in enjoying the discounts from all the products and services of the malls and businesses affiliated to the Philippine Franchise Association. This is also their initiative to make the people go out of their homes and make businesses recover the loss of sales for the couple of months due to COVID 2019.
Our mission for the Philippine Franchise Association is to help in nation building by creating more jobs and more business opportunities through franchising.
The Philippine Franchise Association aims to help the franchising sectors in the industry prepare for the challenges and the opportunities ahead in continuing to be a magnet for international brands that wants to expand in the country and make our local brands go international.
We would like to invite you to Franchise Asia. On March 25 and 26 is the conference at SMX. 27 to 29 is the expo, also at SMX. This is the largest show in Asia, if not also globally, because now it's 2 floors at SMX. Marami pong participants. We have about 800 brands joining this year. Last year we had about 50,000 guests, and many of them that we saw at the incubation last year are now a bigger franchise concept. They have already grown. Come, join us. Come, grow with us. Daghang salamat.
For inquiries and additional information, just visit Franchise Asia PH, both on Facebook and Twitter respectively. For MyTV Cebu, this is Dio Gracias Alayan.